Good morning, students. Today we will see the failure mode effect analysis, that is FMEA. Here we will see the basic of FMEA from different steps, objectives, what is FMEA, motivational, history, types and basic steps. First, we will learning about the objectives of FMEA. To understand the use of FMEA, then different steps learned developing of FMEA. To summarize the different types of FMEA, to learn how to link the FMEA to other process tools. Here main learning objectives of FMEA. First of all, we will see the basic cycles of FMEA. Basic cycle of FMEA. Here we will see the basic cycle of FMEA. First, identifying the function for evaluation. Then second, identify the failure modes. Then identify effect of it. Then track the consequences of failures. Then identify the possible causes. Identify root cause. Critical evaluate and the root cause. Identify the solution and access to risks of failures. Then take necessary actions. That whole cycle is FMEA. That means failure modes and effect analysis. Then different main 4 stages of FMEA. First, identify the possible failures. That is first step. Second step is risk qualification. Third step is corrective action on cause of high risk. And fourth is risk priority number. That means RPN. That is main 4 basic steps of FMEA. First, identify the possible failures. Then second, risk qualification. Third, correctiveness of high risk. And fourth, relook and RPN, risk priority number. Then basic objectives of FMEA. To identify the design and process failures before issue to minimize the risk failure and either proposing the design changes that this cannot be formulated. The main objective is operation and the equipment of mode. Second is potential final failures mode of their causes. Third, to evaluate effect on the system of each failure mode. Fourth, to identify, measure or eliminating or reducing the risk associated with each failure mode. Fifth, identify trials and testing necessary to the conclusion. And last, to provide information to the operation, maintain the understood capabilities and limitation of the system to achieve best performance. That is main objectives of FMEA, failure mode effective analysis. The main aim of is cycle. This cycle is most important for FMEA. First, identify the evaluation, then failure mode effect analysis, then risk qualification method, then critical evaluation of root cause, and finally to take necessary action for find out the relook and RPN, risk priority number. That is the basic of FMEA, failure mode effect analysis. Thank you.